Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery. I'm a copywriter, and I'm a lover of how we can take a word here and there, tweak it just a little bit, and dramatically change the message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. We're going to take a look at how opposites attract. We all know this concept. You take opposite magnets and they attract each other. Usually introverts and extroverts are kind of attracted to each other, a lot of times in a relationship sense. But that's all kind of meta. I hope I'm allowed to use that word since Facebook stole it from everyone. And it's not really useful when I just say, hey, opposites attract, so try to use opposites in your copywriting and your marketing. Instead, let me give you, I have three examples here, and then we'll try and work through how this would work in your business. So let's say you are a dietitian, somebody that helps people diet. Your message might be, we help you lose 18 pounds in 8 months. I don't know if that's a good diet or a bad diet. Maybe 8 weeks would be better. But overall, that message is just kind of blah. Everyone knows that you're going to lose weight if you follow a diet. Instead, you want to say something like, let me tell you the story of how Mark lost 18 pounds and he still had burgers and fries every single Saturday. The opposite here is you think that eating burgers and fries is going to make you gain weight, but this guy actually lost weight. So then now you have people's attention, you can launch into that story and ultimately convert them into a paying client. What about if you're an insurance salesperson? You probably go out there and say, hey, we help you find the lowest premiums possible on your insurance. Okay, I hope you do, because why would I want to pay more for my insurance? Instead, say something along the lines of, we get you better coverage at lower premiums than you're used to paying. We all know that higher premiums mean better coverage, and better coverage means higher premiums. What is this that you're saying I can have better coverage and lower premiums? Now I'm intrigued. You can tell me how and convert me into a client. Last one, a roofing company. Every single roofing company out there offers free estimates on replacing the roof on your home. If they don't offer free estimates, they are quickly out of the market. So it's really it's not information that's useful to me. But if you came to me and said, do you want to replace your roof every 2 years? Because that's what most roofers make happen. And now I'm like, wait a minute, why are you bashing roofers? What's going on here? I don't want to replace my roof every 2 years. That sounds expensive. And then you can launch into how it's not done right, but Scott's Roofing Company does it right. When you look at some of this stuff and when you're looking at your own business, take what people believe to be true and show how you make the opposite happen. It can be kind of difficult. It can take a lot of deep diving into it, and it can also take an outside perspective, something that maybe a copywriter could help you discover. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope you found some inspiration and education you can take back to your own business. As usual, if you're having trouble with it, if you need that outside perspective, click the links in the description below, reach out, and I would be happy to help. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you get great notifications every time Strategic Advisor Board posts great new content.